Welcome to English for Immigrants. We're so happy you're here. If you've just arrived in a new country and are learning how to speak English, you're in the right place. This channel is created especially for people like you, immigrants, who are building a new life and want to feel more confident speaking English in everyday situations. In today's video, we're going to explore real-life English phrases that you can start using right away at work, at the store, on the bus, in school, at the doctor, and more. These practical expressions will help you feel more comfortable, more connected, and more prepared for your daily routines. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's practice together. Step by step, word by word, you can do this. And we're here to help every step of the way. Let's get started. Today, we'll learn essential daily English phrases designed for immigrants starting to communicate in a new country. Practicing with real-life phrases is one of the best ways to learn because you can use them immediately. In this video, we'll go through different situations like greetings, grocery shopping, using public transportation, talking to neighbors, work, medical visits, fun activities, school interactions, emergencies, and more. Let's begin with greetings. They open the door to any conversation. Saying good morning or how are you already shows politeness and a willingness to interact. These small phrases make a big difference. Use expressions like I'm good, thank you, and you or nice to meet you in daily life. Whether at work, at a bus stop, or in an elevator, greetings help you build connection and confidence over time. You'll also hear casual phrases like how's it going, what's up, or long time no see in informal settings. Knowing these variations helps expand your communication in social moments. Next, imagine going to the supermarket. Ask, where can I find the milk? Or, do you have any bread? When paying, say, can I pay with a card? Or, how much is this? Simple questions that help a lot. If you need a bag, ask, can I get a bag, please? Or, do you accept credit cards? If you need to return something, say, I'd like to return this, or can I exchange this for another one? Looking for a specific item, ask, do you carry almond milk? Or, is this on sale? These questions show you're adapting well to local shopping routines and becoming more independent. Now think about public transportation. Ask, what time does the bus arrive? Or confirm, is this the bus to downtown? If you want to sit, say, is this seat taken? These phrases help you move around with confidence. You might need to buy a ticket. Where can I buy a ticket? Or, how much is a one-way ticket? Some systems use reloadable cards. Ask, how do I recharge my card? To stay prepared, if you miss your bus or train, ask, when is the next one? Or, is there another way to get downtown? Being prepared with these sentences makes public transport easier. Another common setting is interacting with neighbors. Say, good morning. How are you today? Or talk about the weather. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Small talk helps build good relationships. Ask, where are you from? Or offer help with, do you need any help? Being kind and friendly to your neighbors can open doors and make your life in the community more pleasant. If you just moved in, say, I just moved in, or it's nice to meet my neighbors. It's a great way to start a conversation and build trust. Say, I live next door, or let me know if you need anything. In the workplace, English becomes even more essential. Ask for help with, "Can you help me with this?" Or if you don't understand something, "I don't understand. Can you repeat, please?" Ask about meetings with, "What time is the meeting?" Or let people know, "I'll be right back." These short sentences show your interest in learning and participating actively. During job interviews, say, "I'm available to start immediately," or "I have experience in customer service." This helps make a good impression and shows your readiness to work. Also learn phrases like, "Let's schedule a meeting," or "Please send me the report." They help you handle basic professional communication and gain confidence at your job. Medical situations are also important. Say, "I have a headache," or "I'm not feeling well." Ask, "Do I need a prescription?" Or say, "I take this medication every day." Learn basic medical terms like fever, cough, pain, and allergy. Say, "Call 911," or "I need an ambulance during emergencies." Express symptoms clearly. "I feel dizzy," or "My throat hurts." Clear communication helps you get proper care faster. The more you practice, the better you'll explain your needs in medical settings. Always try to be specific about what you feel. For fun activities like parks, museums, or the movies, use "How much is the ticket?" "What time does the movie start?" Or "Can I have 2 tickets, please?" In restaurants, ask, "Can I see the menu, please?" Or order with, "I'd like a cheeseburger and a soda, please." If splitting the bill, say, "Can we split the bill?" or "Let's pay separately." To order food to go, say, "I'd like this to go," or "Can I get it for takeout?" These are simple and helpful for enjoying your time and adapting to local customs. If you have children at school, phrases like, "I'm here for the parent-teacher meeting," or "How is my child doing in class?" will help you stay involved in their education. Ask, "Does my child have homework?" Or say, "My child is sick and will stay home today." It helps to be active in your child's learning process and communicate with teachers. To meet with the principal, say, "I'd like to schedule a meeting with the principal." Being part of the school community helps build support and improves communication. Other situations include banks, hotels, the post office, and libraries. Say, "I'd like to open an account," or "I need to withdraw money at the bank." Useful phrases make your errands smoother. At a hotel, say, "I have a reservation," or "Can I check out late?" At the post office, "I'd like to send a package," or "How long does it take to arrive?" In the library, ask, "I'd like to get a library card," or "Where is the fiction section?" The more you explore, the more confident you become using English in daily life. Understand each word in the phrases. This helps you build your own sentences. Learn words like milk, bread, bus, ticket, meeting, neighbor, help, medicine, school, movie, reservation, homework, and withdraw. Repeat these words often. The more you hear and say them, the more familiar they become. Understanding the meaning makes it easier to use them in different situations. Practice often, listen again, and repeat out loud. Practice with friends or family and use the phrases in your real life. Over time, speaking English will become more natural. Consistency is key. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. If you make one, try again. If you forget a word, look it up and practice. Write down your favorite phrases in a notebook or app. Review them daily. Return to this video or watch others on our channel whenever you need help or motivation. Eventually, you'll start creating your own sentences and expressing your ideas clearly. You'll be able to hold longer and more complex conversations in English. The more you practice, the more confident you become. And the more confident you are, the more opportunities you'll have in life, work, and relationships. If you made it this far, congratulations! You've already taken a big step. Keep practicing every day. Watch the next videos on our channel English for Immigrants and share this content with others. Together, we'll build a supportive community for everyone learning English and building a better life in their new country. Thank you for watching and see you next time.